Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to come on and share with you a small haul I did at Hobby Lobby. I needed to go back to Hobby Lobby because the cards that I made a couple of weeks ago had these bees on them. And I took the cards to work, and a coworker bought, I don't know how many, maybe 10. And of course, there were the ones with the bees. So I love putting the bees on the cards. So I bought the last two that they had. And then I saw these. These are flat, multicolor bling butterflies. They're 50% off right now at Hobby Lobby. I saw Gina over at Scrapinology. Hi, Gina. She purchased them because she saw someone else get them. You know how it goes. So I thought these would be cute, too, to add to my spring cards. I bought a few spring flowers, just one pack. And I'll show you the cards that I'm working on now, another kit. I picked up these floral embellishments. They're kind of vellum, really cute. They have this yellow center. Then there's some leaves in the background. So I thought that would be good to create with the card that I'm using. And then this here is the Happy Planner sticker sheet. And I wish I would have bought the other one. I may go back today. It was $1.74 in the clearance aisle. And since I am big on my day planner at work, I always have it. I don't think I have it with me here. No, I don't. Else I would show you a page. It's all stickered up with reminders and affirmations. And this one here I thought was really cool. You have a bunch of today's day, important, which I have lots of things going on right now that are important, doctor visits and whatnot. Reschedule meeting appointment later today, big day. But the one I'm really happy about, that's why I want to go back, is because these stickers here that say payday, 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 payday. And then these little pigs would be a great reminder for me because my daughter and I both do the envelope challenge. We started last year, and I use my earnings to, I'm not sure whether it was to pay my taxes, and she used hers to help buy her car. So we've started up again, and I wanted to put those little piggy stickers on the days that remind me to put some money in the envelope. And then this here is really cute because it's a sticker that says bill payment. So you would put the amount that you owe and then the company that you have to pay. I think that would be good for her. I think I'm gonna put that in hers. And then this little bill due little corner sticker. So really cute. And then there is some family time stickers, and then these circles here, movie night, family dinner, fun day. So I thought this was really cool. So I think I am going to go back and get the other pack. So then I moved over to home decor and just picked up a few things. I got these cute pot holders. Oh my gosh, they're tulips. So I'm going to throw the ones I have up now away. I think there's a red one and a green one, totally Christmas. So I'm gonna throw those away and put these up for spring. I picked up this cute tray. I'm gonna put a greenery around it and a candle in the middle. I saw my favorite home decor person do this over on her Mother Time on her channel. And while I have several of these type of stands, I don't have this whitewashed one. So I thought that was really cool. Something else I saw on her channel were these cute little bowls. These were $1.64. They have a lot right now on clearance at Hobby Lobby in the home decor section. So I got these here to put on my tier tray. I picked up this little dish. It was $2.49 by Market Square, and you can microwave in it, and it's dishwasher safe. So I don't think it's good for the oven, but I think it's cute when my daughter wants to heat up something. She could just use this small dish to heat up something in the microwave. And then a colander. Nothing fancy, but I like the lightweight of the ones I have at home. And this was $1.24. Is that big silver one? It's just huge. So I just wanted to be able to grab something really light, and then this can fit over the pot. So that was home decor. And then I got one more thing. This here was marked down to $4.99. It's that dish, the glass dish, the 3 sections. Now, they used it for candies. I don't keep candies at my desk, so I think I'm going to just use it here in the craft room. I have one now that I put rosettes in, the ones that I make and don't use, so 3 different sizes of rosettes. So I'm going to look around and see what do I have that would benefit going in these jars that I can kind of see through them as well. So this is from the Nook and Cranny. It's regularly $9.99, but it was $4.99. So that was my Hobby Lobby haul. And then I started pulling out this card box by Maggie Holmes, Forever Fields. And you can kind of see what the cards look like. To me, they're a little demure. They just need a little oomph. So what I thought I would do, and of course you get the card base, you get sticker sheet, you get washi sheet, you get ephemera, 1 pack of ephemera. And I've taken all the ephemera out, and it's pretty nice. You know, I tried to bring out some small rosettes to use. So, you know, some flowers, some words. So I kind of like it. So I made the 5 that are on the box. And like I said, they didn't have enough oomph for me. So then I just said, well, let me just make some on my own. And just a little while ago, I remembered I had this paper pad I picked up at my local thrift store, Hello Darling by Paper Studio. And I think these colors are perfect for using to complement these cards. Perfect. So I'm going to be using this paper pad somehow on the card bases to add a little something. But this is what I did so far. I made 1 card. I used the banner strip. They gave you this element here, and I thought I was looking for a punch for the side, like the notebook punch. I don't have that, so instead I used this thing here. This is for your discs, those round discs, and you can see I cut it out. I used 4 times on the side. Put the bumblebee there, and then used 2 of the stickers. And this is going to be like a retirement card. It says, all the best, the adventure begins. So I thought that was cute. And then the second one I tried was this one here. They have an example on the box, but I just used some of the other elements. So I used 2 of the strawberry stickers, another one underneath the word hello. I bumped that up on some foam, and then I used a sticker here that says darling. So it said hello darling with 2 flowers. And then on the inside there is a sticker sheet that you get. It says here's a fond hello from someone who loves and admires you. So I thought that was really okay. I was happy with that one. And then the third one, same thing, same card design. I used the For You sticker, and I use a flower sticker underneath, but I wanted more oomph, so I pulled out this cabbage flower, and then I used one of the sticker flowers. I put it up on foam, and then I used my vellum daisy floral because that was what was under that flower, so I just gave it a little bit more. And something I don't normally use, but it came with some corners, some stickers, some corners, so I put them to use to give the card a little bit more. And this one here, the inside says, here's a little something to celebrate all the hard work, your hard work and success. So those were the 3 I made with that. Again, the kit is Forever Fields by Maggie Holmes, and you get 559 pieces. So I'm going to continue to play around with this and make some more, because the card bases are very, very nice. I like the card bases, but I think they just need a little more something. So I'm going to find some vellum doilies and things like that. And they are decorated on both sides, so I could switch sides if I choose to. So there you go, you guys. I am going to put put these things away and start work. It's 7:23, so I'm getting ready to clock on. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. And until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.